Welcome to Cooking with the Man. I'm here, Neil. Today we're going to be making vegan Thai red curry. So let's go over with some of the ingredients. Alright, what you're going to need today will be 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, and about 3 to 4 teaspoons of red curry paste. The red curry paste I use is a Thai kitchen. And then also you'll need 1 can of coconut milk. And I use, you can use tofu, but the one we're going to use today is these chicken strips by Gardini. And then we also just get 1 bag of frozen vegetables. Alright, so first we will put the saute mode on. And then after, you just add some oil. Dump all your chicken. And you let that, you just let that cook for about 5-10 minutes. You'll notice that once it gets soft, what I like to do is just kind of break it up in little bit more little pieces. So now it should start softening. So when you kind of press down, you can kind of break it up into little pieces. This way, you don't get too much of the big pieces. And once that softens up, you can add your frozen vegetables in. Alright, so then we just have to dump the rest of our ingredients, our seasonings, and kind of just mix it in there, kind of get it all mixed in, and kind of just do for a few minutes, kind of let it simmer for a little bit before we add our coconut milk. See, look at that, it looks really good now. It's getting red, everything's turning nice and red color. It's going to be good. You just mix that up. It's coming together already. And you just wait until it heats up. Once it starts bubbling, then you kind of know it's ready, and then we're ready to close the lid. Alright, once you see it start bubbling, and now it kind of looks like it's ready. So we could definitely now just close the lid. So we're ready to go. Alright, so now we turn off the cancel button. Remember to close your lid. Remember your valve has to be unsealed. And then I would put it on pressure cook for 20 minutes. And then let's come back to it when it's ready. It's been 25 minutes now, so let's take a look at what's inside. Alright, so now this is what it looks like inside. So all you have to do is put it on saute mode for a little bit and let it cook for a few minutes, just to kind of get it nice and bubbling and hot. So see how you see it nice and bubbling, and then once it starts bubbling for a few minutes, then you're ready to eat. Alright, so there you have it. You have your vegan red curry meatless chicken. I served it with some rice, so it's basically it's pretty easy to make the rice. If you want to add some more heat to it, you could add sriracha sauce. Just spread some sriracha sauce on it, and it'll definitely taste good. But it's definitely a very easy recipe to do. It's all basically just dumping dough, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Just don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.